Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a challenge for y'all, and today it's a healthy challenge. The challenge is called Salad Your Way Challenge, and it was created by Vicky's World, Miss Louisiana Kitchen Housewives, and the Essence of Sonia. And with this challenge, I was challenged by Angela Eats TV Picky Palette. All right, before I get started, I need to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share my video, and put the post notification bells on. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing before you leave. All right, y'all, let's get right into this. And with this challenge, all right, it's a salad. You have to add 6 toppings, not including the lettuce and the sauce. All right, and for my toppings, I have some olives, some jalapeno peppers, some radish, some onions. I have some cucumbers over here. I have some eggs, and also I have some rotisserie chicken. All right, I'm about to go ahead and build my salad up. All right, and the first thing I'm gonna add is some of this chicken. And how everybody doing today? I hope everybody is doing good. I want to thank everybody for watching my last video. I really appreciate it. Thank you to all new subscribers to my channel. All right, y'all. And with this challenge, they said to challenge 3 people. And I'm going to do that right now so I won't forget. And the 3 people I'm challenging is Yaya's Best Life, is Birdie, and Rissa's Mukbang and ASMR. Yeah, y'all, it's taking me a little minute to get this video together. You know, it'll be a lot of distractions. All right, I'm trying to balance my salad out. Add some of these olives. Yeah, y'all, they said add 6 toppings. It don't have to be an extra big salad. Just make it however you want it. And what I like about this challenge is healthy. I didn't really have to cook nothing. Yeah, who don't like a good salad? I love salad. All right, I'm about to add some of these cucumbers. So what y'all been up to? Y'all still doing Christmas shopping? Well, I did some shopping. I'm almost done, which I'm tired of shopping already. You already know how these stores be. I'm about to add a little Parmesan cheese to mine. Yeah, I'm trying to dress it up all pretty. It's gonna be my first meal of the day. Add some of these craisins. Yeah, y'all, hope y'all check these 3 channels out. They're some amazing channels. Parmesan ranch dressing. Trying to make sure I don't forget nothing. Adding some Mexican blend. Give me a little everything on there. Give y'all the first bite. Y'all go. It was my first meal of the day. And this is some rotisserie chicken that was already made. That's good. And if you're watching this video and you want to do this challenge, go ahead and do this challenge. It's something easy, it's healthy. At first I was thinking about doing a taco salad, but I was like, no, I'm gonna keep it on the healthier side. Maybe with whatever I have left, I'll do me a taco salad. Eat that off camera. These peppers add a little spice to it. It's flavored up good. This chicken already have seasoning on it. That's real good. It's Louisiana Housewife. I didn't mean to mess your name up in the beginning. Been having a lot of distractions around me. So a lot of channels to try to remember. But I will have everybody in the description box. So I hope y'all are going to check them channels out. And also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's all about good vibes, family. Try to keep it positive over here. Always eating on some good food. Yo, this salad good. This is like a whole meal. Got everything you need up in here. They said add 6 toppings, but you can add as many as you want. This is good. Something light on the stomach. It's healthy. Some dyed cranberry. I've still been sticking to no sugar drinks and no soda. Look at all that goodness, y'all. All that goodness. Let me tell y'all, this is so good. No joke. Just make your salad however you like it. And I'm glad I chose all these ingredients because they all go good together. Got up early today. Did all my cleaning. Got that out the way. Then I went to the store to get all my ingredients for my salad. I did have some ingredients in the fridge, but I wanted to make it fresh. And of course, I wanted my salad to look good. And of course, it definitely tastes good. This chicken is really good. I was trying to hurry about the store. I was smelling too much good food up in there. It was making me hungry. Y'all know how that is. Try to give me a little more of that chicken. Actually, my lettuce mix that I had some apples in it. Yeah, y'all, this salad is the bomb for real. No joke. No joke at all. Hope y'all out there still being safe. Being careful with all them scammers out there. Keep it warm in this cold weather. I'm getting full, but it's so good. I just want to keep on eating it. See, I be wishing y'all can taste this food. This salad is really good. This might be the best salad I've made. I see a lot of y'all doing Vlogmas. I commend y'all for that because I know it'd be a lot of work recording every day and getting them videos out. I know y'all be motivating me. Y'all are so good. That's a whole balanced meal up in this bowl right here. So good. Got the sweet, a little sweet, the spicy, the good seasoning. All fresh ingredients. How many of y'all like to eat eggs in y'all salad? I grew up eating eggs in my salad. That's how my mom used to always make hers, with eggs. Boiled eggs. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna keep y'all too long. I'm gonna eat the rest of this off camera. And I hope y'all check all them channels out. I hope y'all do this challenge. It's healthy, it's good. A good way to end the year with some healthy challenges. All right, and I'm about to end this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share my video, and put the post notification bells on. That way you be notified every time I post a video. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Nah, you don't be talk like that.
I can talk like that.
Why do you eat this?
I'm eating salad.
Give me some, please.
Now here she come, y'all. See, look, she knew I was done. Kiss. Mwah.